If you live in a high fire zone in California and you're a homeowner, have your rates been absolutely skyrocketing the last few years? Is there anything we can do to prevent this from happening or to combat all these high insurance rates? Well, the good news is yes, there is, and I've got the answer for you coming right up. I'm Barry Diamond. I'm a real estate broker in North Monterey County, California. And if you're like me and you live in a high fire zone or a forest fire area, there's a thing called a natural hazard disclosure that lists all the different ranges or zones that homeowners live in California. Well, if you happen to live nearby or in one of those high fire risks or wildfire areas, you probably know that your homeowner's insurance rates have basically been skyrocketing the last few years. And honestly, it really seems like insurance companies are really sticking it to us as far as homeowners. And why is that? Because they can, for the most part. And that's what they're about. They're about making money. So it's not always that this company is on your side or you're necessarily in their good hands or they're a good neighbor to you, because they're out to make money. And so for a lot of my neighbors in North Monterey County, their homeowners rates have been increasing, sometimes doubling and tripling. So I want to let you know too that homeowners insurance companies, they're not always going to let you know directly that they're increasing their rates, that they're doubling them or tripling them. You're probably not going to find out until your policy renewal comes up. And then if you're not paying attention, like I have been in the past, then you look and you say, oh my gosh, why is my insurance has doubled or tripled? That happened to me last year. So make sure that when your insurance renews, or you just go online to your account, that your insurance company hasn't increased your homeowner's rate arbitrarily. Okay, so here's the deal. And this is a very simple solution to this problem. It really goes back to that old song from the 70s that Captain and Tennille called "You Better Shop Around." And a lot of people don't know that they can do this. It's really simple. I have literally switched homeowners insurance probably in the 8 years that I've lived in North Monterey County, probably 3 or 4 times. And the reason why is because one company ups their rates. When I first got here, when I moved from Las Vegas, my existing homeowners insurance company didn't even insure in this area. So I had to shop around then. But what I've seen is that insurance companies will begin to increase their rates. And some people say, what can I do? This company that I've been with for 10 years, 15 years, doubled my rates, tripled my rates. Well, my answer is very simply shop around. Go online, find 5 or 6 different companies and start comparing rates. And you'll probably be shocked at the amount of money that you can save. I have literally changed at times from Geico to Progressive to Travelers to Liberty Mutual, all the big carriers. You just have to compare their rates from year to year. And, this last year, this one insurance company doubled my rates. I went online, I started comparing rates, probably with 5 or 6 different companies. And I found one that actually it was a couple $100 more than what I was paying the previous year, but it certainly wasn't double. And as some of my neighbors, it certainly wasn't triple what they were paying. And so you would be shocked at some of what your neighbors are paying in a high fire area compared to you. They might be paying significantly less than what you're paying. Or if they haven't shopped around, they might be paying significantly more. So that's what I'm telling you today. A real estate tip is shop around for home insurance rates if you live in a high fire or a forest fire area in California, because you can definitely save money by looking at 5 or 6 different companies, comparing rates, and picking the one that's the best for you. So I hope that tip is helpful for you and saves you a good chunk of money as you shop around for homeowners insurance. I look forward to talking to you soon. God bless.